Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. This week you could have knocked me down with a feather when the postman came up to me in the street and gave me a parcel that I wasn't expecting. And you know what? It was from the lovely people at Gothic Beauty Magazine. They'd sent me another beauty box to show you. So how amazing is that? So I've just opened the lid. I haven't gone inside yet. I've just opened the lid, and because you don't want to see me opening a box. And as usual, lovely tissue paper. There's a list here on top of all the things which I will read at the end. And here, oh, I say, it's issue 56. Here it is. Look how cool this girl is here. And what have we got? We've got some art style. Oh, somebody is at the H.R. Geiger Museum, which will be lovely because we all love a bit of Geiger. Makeup, bridal, Goth Vegas. Mr. Jane and I got married in Vegas. Lovely, 26 years ago. There's some music festival stuff. There's some fashion, and what's really caught my eye, goth gardening in here. So when we open it up, you get all these bits and bobs about all the people that like it and read it. They're all Instagrammers and famous YouTubers and all sorts of people. Everybody from It's Black Friday, who we love, of course, all the way through more Instagram people. There's some TikTok people who I don't know, of course, and there's me on the last unboxing. Would you look at that? There's me there. Oh, how nice. That's really nice. Oh, and look, there's Star Raven's Gothic Eternity. She's a near neighbour of mine, and my lovely friend Vamprin from Canada, who we really like. She's smashing, actually. Great girl, love her. So there's a lot of that. On the cover are these people here. There's some fashion, some very exciting fashion. Lip service. Things. I want to find this gardening bit. I say, yes, here it is. It's quite a few pages about gardening, and I am a keen gardener. And so there's lots of things about what you can grow. How to plant. Oh, that's excellent. So I'll look forward to reading that. So there's that. That's the actual magazine. And of course it is quite stuffed with stuff. There's not that many adverts, to be fair. All sorts of music reviews. What else have we got? Video reviews. Yes, so if you see the magazine and you haven't got a subscription to the box, or you haven't bought a box, well worth getting hold of. So let's see, what else have we got? Right, well, we've got a lovely bumper sticker from Lip Service. That's that fashion brand. A postcard from them, which is very nice. We've got some makeup here. We've got, do you remember last time we got a Lashy Doodle couple of things? And this is something which is purple, and I know because there's a purple dot on it. So let's see if we can get into this. Oh, jumped out there. And it is looks like an eyeliner. Yes, it's a lovely eyeliner with an ink stamp on it, which is extremely lovely. So obviously it's teeny tiny little ink stamp. Right, I'll put some close-ups of that in a second. We've also got Spooky Spirits perfume oil. Now, last time we got a cherry perfume oil, which was rather splendid, and this is called New Moon Cafe. Oh my, it smells of coffee cake, actually. Yes, smells just like coffee cake. Not sure I'd wear it, but very nice to have. We've also got Dark Asteroid Pretty Raven Corpse Paint and Shadow Potion. Oh, and on the back, I'll show you close up in a minute, it tells you how you wear it and how you use it, and you can... Oh, you know when people put it all down their necks, you could... I don't think that's quite me, but yeah, you can use it as an eyeshadow base, apparently. You can just use it as a paint. Shall we have a look? See if I can open it. I forgot to bring some tweezers. You know how people always open things with tweezers. Oh, it's a nice bottle. It's a lovely frosted glass bottle. Oh, and it comes in a pump. So, shall we see? Bit scary, but... Oh, here it comes, I think. Half a mo. Oh, here it comes. There it is. And... oh, it's very black. I mean, admittedly, if I did want to cover my face or my neck, this is certainly the stuff I'd use. Look at that. Right, 1 second. I'll just get a tissue. See, I wasn't ready for that. I'll just wipe my finger. I'll leave it on my hand so you can see it as we go along. We can see if it dries as well. Oh, well, that was exciting. And also in makeup, a little Lashy Doodle palette, I do believe. Look. Lashy Doodle. Doesn't say. Doesn't say. Doesn't say. I expect it's on the bit of paper. Oh, it's very nice. It's got a picture of a lovely iris on it. So hopefully there'll be some purple in here. Oh my. Oh my, look at that. I'm going to have to do some swatches of this and do a little close-up and show you these. Yes, I will do that. After I finish this bit, I'll do some swatches and film those, and then you can see, but it looks like there's 3 glitters. 1, 2, 3, 4 mattes and 2 shimmers, and I'm very excited to play with these. Look at those colours though. Could they have made it for me, we wonder? Yes, I think is the answer to that. So we'll put that over there. Okay, here come the swatches. I think I'll do the mattes first. So I'll do the white here. Well, that's a pretty good white, isn't it? That's not bad at all. Then I'll do the pale lilac here. Oh, that is pale. That's more sort of like a pinky there. So that's that. Then there's a pale, well, not pale, sort of slightly pale purple. No, not that pale. That's quite good. I'll just do another stroke of it. There we are, look. And this is just on my naked hand, which is, of course, very brown from being in the sun. And here comes the matte black. Like that. Nice black soft, matte. So there's that. Then we'll move on to the shimmers, and we've got like a sort of purpley, reddishly sort of shimmer like this. Or is it in fact shimmery at all? Yeah, I think it's what they call satin. So it's this one here. So that's very satiny. And then the very shimmery one is, oh yeah, there we go, look. That one there, which is quite shimmery indeed. Yeah, actually that's pretty nice. I would have worn that today had I known and got it earlier, but time doesn't work that way. 3 glitters then. So there's one which is black but then looks sort of multicoloured. So I'm not quite sure how it's going to show up. Not at all by the look of it. But I'm trying to put it over the black matte shadow, and it sort of looks wet look. I don't know if you can see that, but it sort of does look a bit wet looky, glittery sort of. Actually, yeah, the more you put on, the better it is. So there's that. And then there's this pinky glittery, which doesn't want to do anything at all. It will not come out of the pan. I'm pressing it with my finger very hard, and it really doesn't want to do anything. And oh, there it does. You have to push it fairly hard, and here it is here. So I pushed that quite hard to get that out. And then the piece of resistance, the yellow one in the middle. So it feels quite, oh actually that's not too bad. And I'm going to put it here. Oh, it's lovely. Look, I'm putting it here. Look how lovely that is. Ooh, that is yummy. I'm going to be using that quite soon, I'm thinking. That is exceptionally nice. And it really goes well. I'm going to put some over that. Oh yeah, it looks nice over the purple shimmer. So that is the 9-pan Lashy Doodle eyeshadow palette, inspired by springtime irises. And oh, now these are great. This is, listen, this is what you put your tea in. If you like loose tea, I can't think what it's called, but anyway, you put your, it's a little skull and crossbones, and you take his head off and you put the tea in there, and then you put the head back on again and then hang it in your mug. Great fun these are, really, really good. So I'll just put that there. There's 2 more things in the box. One thing is very small and is jewellery, I can tell. So let's get this out. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, I say, this is gorgeous. Look at this. This is a necklace. I'll put it here so you can see. Bat wings. 2 separate bat wings on a necklace. I think that's gorgeous. I love it. I absolutely love it. That is beautiful. I'm going to put that there. And then you can see it as we look at, oh, it's another sticker, and then it looks like black and purple stripy tights, so like black and purple are the theme for this box, but oh no, there's a big round hole, so it's not tights, it's arm thingies. Oh yes, last time, I don't know if you remember, but if you haven't seen it, go back and watch it. we got some lovely sort of webby arm thingies, and these come autumn winter time will be absolutely the bee's bollocks, won't they? These, I like those very much. Oh yes. So that is everything that was in the box. Has this dried? No, it hasn't dried yet. No, it definitely hasn't dried yet. So if you do get this, watch out for that. Put that there, put that there, put this here. I think I will take this off my head because it's in danger of falling. We've got our stickers and our postcard and our tea thingy. So let's see. The black paint is by Dark Asteroid Pretty. Lashy Doodle double-sided marker, full size. Oh yes, full size eyeshadow palette inspired by spring irises. So that's cool. Coffee House aroma of Spooky Spirits oil. This Under Her Dark Wings black necklace from Eerie Baubles. Skull and Bones Tea Infuser, that's the word I was looking for, infuser. Some sticker, and the you can get 10% off lip service if you have the code Lippy10. LIPPY10 will get you 10% off at lipservice.com. And there's the stripy gloves from Charlotte's Vale. So that's everything. Thanks ever so much for watching, but thanks so much to Gothic Beauty Magazine. Honestly, I thought it was, you know, so amazing and wonderful of them to send me one last time, but now they've sent me another one. Well, I don't know what to do with myself. Anyway, stay cool, everybody, because it's super hot here in the UK and I believe also all over Europe. If you're in the United States, it's a whole continent really, isn't it? So the weather could be doing anything and I wouldn't really know. Everywhere else, I'm not that well up on the rest of the world's weather, but look after yourselves. Do kiss your lovely companion animals for me, unless they're fish or otherwise dangerous. And I look forward to seeing you next time. Please take care, everybody. Thank you again. If you've got any friends that haven't subscribed, don't forget to remind them. You like and subscribe this video if you haven't already, and do always, my lovely friends, please stay strange.